Welcome back to the trap. Welcome back, y'all. Right now we're headed out the door. Hold up. Because today is Christmas. So happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas to everybody. This is part 2 of the video from yesterday because I didn't even close out the video. I wasn't drunk in there. It was just a good time was had. Okay. So now we getting ready to go out the door and go to my grandmama's house. So yeah, that's what we doing now, y'all. Excuse the dirt on. I gotta put my shoes on. Dang. I can't prop y'all up. Okay, I can't prop y'all up nowhere. We're putting our shoes on right now though, y'all. Show y'all the fit later, but this the shirts. These the shoes I'm putting on with. Y'all got me. Y'all got the flow. We running behind today, y'all, but it's all good. Dang. Gotta put some jewelry on. And I did my 1-2 today, y'all. I did a little something. Something nice but smooth and cool. You know what I'm saying? With the Okay. So yes, y'all. Let me finish doing this and I will see y'all when we get to grandma's house. See y'all when we get to grandma's house. Hey.
Yeah, up all night, want to sleep all day. Came here and stayed a couple times.
Anna Merle.
Yeah. Anna Merle, see that one.
Anna Merle was something else.
Ooh, but you couldn't whoop in no car. You wouldn't whooping her in no car. That one knew them cars, boy. Golly.
Anna Merle was something else.
But she the one that always told her.
That's an app you can use too.
Calvin Austin standing at the 11 for Pittsburgh. They'll use as much clock as possible. We're down to 6:45 remaining. Not much of a rush.
All right now, y'all. We back at the house. Shirt look a little drunk. I don't like it. Being who y'all. Like I said, we back at the house now. Dang, I ain't taking no pictures. I have to take some pictures tomorrow. But let's get into the fit, okay? Let's scoot y'all right here. Let y'all see the fit. Boom. Okay. It's the fit. This the fit, y'all. With the yep. Boom. With the yeah. Ooh. And then I had a green purse to go with it, y'all, but my purse downstairs. Top from Shyy, pants for Burlington's, shoes, Fly. Yes, y'all. So we're gonna do a quick little 1-2 of what I got for Christmas. All right now. So let's get into what my parents got me. My parentals. So the first thing in this cute little bag. Real nice, real cutesy. We got these. Y'all see them? It's for your drink. Real cute, real demure. Definitely going to use that. We got this cute little, y'all, this low key would have whooped my outfit today. But this gloves and a hat, real cute now. Real cute. Got some Merry Christmas to you. Got some Christmas gloves. Not Christmas gloves, Christmas socks. All right. And then we got a blanket. And baby, oh, it's a nice ass one too. Because if you know, you know. Over here, baby, we love some blankets. We got that blanket. We got two red ones. We got Angel blanket over here, my blanket here. I think I got 2 blankets. We got a blanket. Kamari blanket. Then I think it's another. Y'all, we got so many blankets. I think it's like 8, almost 10 blankets. And I still need another blanket. And next, hold on. Cause if you know, you know. I love me a good load thing. Like what? He's so cute, y'all. Look at it. It's for me. Y'all look this good. Alright, that was the first thing. Bag. We got another bag, y'all. You know what's so crazy? So this next thing I got, I had been seeing it on TikTok, and I was like, dang, I should get that. But I never got it. Maybe that was the Lord telling me, don't get it. Somebody, I got you. Okay? Let me show y'all this. So this is what it looked like. Okay? So you take it. Make sure I got it right. And then you put it around here. My hand away. Hold on, y'all. Boom. So that's how you do it. So when I'm doing hair, I can put my clips right here, put my combs in here. Got this little part, put something in there. Y'all, so cute. I look at y'all. Real cutesy, real demure. So I can just put it right here in front, or I put it off to the side if I need to. Yeah, you gotta know I'm using this. You got to know, okay? We're using it. I'm so ready to use it. Scoot y'all back up. Alright, what's next? We got this shirt, and I think me and Oz, we got matching shirts like this to look good at. Because when the muscles come in, you better know it. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna tie it in the front, make it real cute, like, ooh. Real cute, so like, oh, right now. And that's how you do that there, with some shorts. Baby, can't tell me nothing. Next, we got a dress. Cause baby, you can't go wrong with that dress now. That long sleeve dress. Gonna do it every time. And next, we have these. And y'all, if you know, you know. I already got a pair of these as well too. And they're this color, like a tan looking color. So then I saw the pink. She got me the pink ones. I said, oh yeah. You know how that's going. Gotta wear that. And last but not least, let's see if we can pick it up, y'all. Wow. Look what I got. Because if you know, you know. Baby, I've been waiting to get me a game with you. I've been waiting on it. And it got lights on it, y'all. I can fold it up and everything. Also, y'all, I'm gonna get in the chair tonight, okay? Tonight. I'm gonna go use the restroom, get in the shower. Then I'm getting on that game. And I'm gonna get into it. You better believe it. Gonna get ready for the shower right now. Okay. I'm taking this hair out of this little ponytail. Thank y'all for tuning in. Shyy Tribe. I love y'all real bad, okay? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Turn post notifications on. Make sure y'all have a happy holidays. Okay? Make sure y'all are tuned in. Okay? Make sure y'all tuned in. Do y'all hear me? Make sure y'all tuning in to the videos. Tune in to the videos, y'all. I really appreciate it. Whew. And I will see y'all tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow. Y'all waiting on me to do the dance. Oh, that's what it is. That's why you ain't left yet. You still here watching. You still here. And tell them this what we do over here.